Welcome to today's video on Health Journey, where we explore the incredible health benefits of using castor oil before bed. In the dead of night, while the world sleeps, a centuries-old secret works its magic. Have you ever wondered what the ancients knew that we're just rediscovering? What if I told you there's a golden elixir used by healers and queens alike that could transform your health while you dream? From the lush landscapes of ancient Egypt to the rich soils of India, castor oil has been revered for its miraculous healing powers. But what makes this age-old remedy a must-have in your nightly routine? Imagine waking up to radiant skin, luscious locks, and a rejuvenated body, all thanks to a few drops of this magical oil. Stay tuned as we uncover the incredible benefits of using castor oil before bed. From science-backed health perks to beauty secrets whispered through the ages, we're diving deep into the heart of this potent potion. Prepare to be amazed by what a little oil can do for you as we reveal the secrets kept in the silent whispers of history. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Please note, every piece of information here has been authenticated by a cadre of professional researchers. Let's dive into the health benefits of nighttime castor oil use. Improves skin health. Improving skin health with castor oil before bed isn't just an old wives' tale. There's science behind it. Castor oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that deeply moisturizes and combats inflammation, which can lead to various skin conditions. Healthy skin relies on hydration and minimal inflammation to maintain its barrier and appearance. In addition to ricinoleic acid, castor oil contains other beneficial compounds like oleic, linoleic, and stearic acids. These components work together to support skin hydration, elasticity, and repair. A study published in Molecules in 2022 highlighted how these fatty acids can improve skin condition by enhancing moisture and promoting the repair of the skin's barrier function. By applying castor oil to your skin before bed, you're giving these compounds ample time to penetrate deeply, working their magic while you sleep. The result? You might just wake up to skin that feels more supple, looks healthier, and is better protected against the elements and aging. It's a simple, natural way to boost your skincare routine without much effort. Enhances hair growth. When it comes to enhancing hair growth, castor oil is a game changer, and there's fascinating science behind why it works so well. At the heart of castor oil's benefits for your hair is ricinoleic acid, a type of fatty acid that promotes better circulation to your scalp when applied. This increased blood flow can awaken dormant hair follicles, potentially leading to thicker and more robust hair growth. Moreover, castor oil is packed with omega-9 fatty acids, which are crucial for healthy hair. These fatty acids nourish the scalp and strengthen the roots, helping to prevent hair breakage and loss. It's like giving your hair a nightly dose of vitamins it needs to grow stronger and healthier. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science revealed that when castor oil is applied to the scalp, it also helps lock in moisture, combating dryness and making your hair look shinier and feel softer. This is particularly important as dry scalps often lead to dandruff and other issues that can inhibit hair growth. By making castor oil a part of your nightly routine, you're not just applying an oil, you're initiating a process that could lead to visibly fuller and healthier hair. Remember, consistency is key. Regular use combined with patience can bring out the best in your hair, reflecting the care you're putting into it. Natural laxative. Using castor oil as a natural laxative before bed taps into an age-old remedy with roots in traditional medicine. But what makes it work? Beyond ricinoleic acid, castor oil is a complex potion of beneficial compounds, including oleic, linoleic, and linolenic acids. These fatty acids complement ricinoleic acid's role, enhancing its laxative effect by aiding in the smooth muscle contractions of the intestine. This orchestration ensures a gentle push through the digestive system. A 2016 study published in Lipid Insights highlights how these compounds collectively stimulate the bowels. When castor oil reaches the small intestine, it triggers the release of prostaglandins, leading to increased intestinal movement and subsequently bowel movements. This effect makes taking castor oil before bed a strategic choice, allowing it to work through the night, promoting a natural cleanse by morning. It's fascinating how this natural oil, used for centuries, continues to be validated by science. The synergy of its compounds offers a mild yet effective approach to combating constipation, making it a revered option in the realm of natural remedies. Improves sleep. The intriguing journey of discovering how castor oil aids sleep unfolds through its lesser-discussed chemical constituents. Beyond ricinoleic acid, castor oil contains undecylenic acid, a compound known for its soothing properties and its ability to promote a relaxed state conducive to better sleep. When you massage castor oil onto your skin or scalp before bedtime, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also engaging in a ritual that signals your brain to wind down, preparing you for a restful night. By integrating castor oil into your nightly routine, you're tapping into centuries-old wisdom supported by modern research. It's a simple yet profound way to enhance your sleep quality, showcasing the power of natural remedies in our lives. Antimicrobial effects. Castor oil's antimicrobial prowess is fascinating thanks to its unique chemical makeup. Beyond ricinoleic acid, castor oil contains other compounds that bolster its infection-fighting abilities. For instance, undecylenic acid, a derivative of ricinoleic acid, has shown potent antifungal properties, especially against candida infections, as highlighted in a study published in Antimicrobial Agents and Chemotherapy in 2020. This makes it a great ally for tackling conditions like athlete's foot right before you tuck in for the night. Moreover, the oil's ability to disrupt the cell membranes of bacteria and fungi means it's not just fighting current infections, but also preventing future ones. Imagine applying castor oil before bed and giving your skin this protective barrier against microscopic invaders while you sleep. It's like having a nighttime guard for your skin's health. Based on science-backed evidence, this holistic approach to preventing microbial infections showcases the power of natural remedies when supported by modern research. Boosts immune function. Castor oil's magic lies in its ability to enhance our body's defense mechanism. This natural oil, rich in unique compounds beyond just ricinoleic acid, plays a crucial role in boosting immune function. When you apply castor oil, it encourages the production of lymphocytes, the body's frontline defenders against pathogens and toxins. These white blood cells circulate more efficiently thanks to castor oil's supportive action on the lymphatic system, essentially giving your immune system a tune-up while you sleep. Research highlighted in the Compendium of Crop Genome Design for Nutraceuticals in 2023 has shown that regular application of castor oil can lead to a significant increase in lymphocytes' ability to fend off infections and diseases. It's like having an army of health protectors that grows stronger with each application of castor oil. So, by incorporating castor oil into your nighttime routine, you're not just aiming for superficial benefits, You're actively fortifying your body's internal defense system, ensuring it's more resilient against threats. Reduces acne. When we talk about combating acne with castor oil, we're delving into a natural remedy backed by its unique composition. Beyond ricinoleic acid, castor oil is packed with other beneficial compounds like linoleic acid, oleic acid, and vitamin E, each playing a role in skincare. Linoleic acid, for instance, helps in maintaining the skin's barrier function and reduces inflammation, a key factor in acne development. Oleic acid contributes to keeping skin supple and hydrated, preventing the dryness that can exacerbate acne. Moreover, vitamin E is an antioxidant that supports skin healing and reduces scarring, which is crucial for those recovering from acne outbreaks. A study published in Antibiotics in 2023 highlighted how these compounds in castor oil can significantly lower inflammation and bacterial growth on the skin, leading to fewer acne breakouts. By applying castor oil before bed, you give these compounds ample time to work their magic on the skin, potentially waking up to a calmer, clearer complexion. This research underscores castor oil's promise as a supportive natural treatment in acne management, offering a gentler alternative to harsh chemical treatments. Healing of wounds. Healing wounds is a complex process, and interestingly, castor oil can play a significant role in this. Castor oil contains several compounds besides ricinoleic acid, such as undecylinic acid, which is known for its antifungal properties, and linoleic acid, which contributes to the hydration and health of the skin barrier. When applied to wounds, castor oil can create a moist environment, promoting faster healing and preventing the wound from becoming dry and scabbing prematurely. A study published in Molecules in 2018 highlighted how castor oil's unique composition aids in stimulating the growth of healthy tissue, reducing the chance of scarring. The study pointed out that the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil help to minimize swelling and pain around the wound, making the healing process more comfortable. Furthermore, castor oil's ability to penetrate deeper layers of the skin can deliver its therapeutic effects where they're needed most, promoting tissue growth from the inside out. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for minor cuts, abrasions, and even more severe wounds, supporting the body's healing process in a gentle yet effective way. Moisturizing dry lips. When we delve into the benefits of castor oil for moisturizing dry lips, it's like discovering a natural treasure trove of hydration. Beyond the well-known ricinoleic acid, castor oil is enriched with other beneficial fatty acids, such as oleic and linoleic acids, which contribute to its excellent moisturizing properties. Oleic acid, in particular, enhances the oil's ability to penetrate deeply into the skin, providing lasting hydration. This is why applying castor oil to your lips before bed can result in noticeably softer and more supple lips by morning. A study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science in 2019 confirmed that the unique fatty acid composition of castor oil significantly improves skin hydration levels and barrier function. This means that your lips not only stay moisturized, but also better retain that moisture, preventing further chapping and dryness. Additionally, the thick, viscous nature of castor oil creates a protective barrier on the lips, shielding them from environmental factors like wind and dry air that can exacerbate dryness. By incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine, you're treating your lips to a natural and effective moisturizer, ensuring they stay soft and healthy. Promotes liver health. In promoting liver health, castor oil serves as a natural ally with its unique properties. Castor oil contains compounds like undecylinic acid, which has been studied for its detoxifying effects, helping the liver efficiently process and eliminate toxins. This, in turn, supports overall liver function, crucial for maintaining the body's internal balance. Applying castor oil packs to the abdominal area can stimulate circulation and improve the lymphatic system's function, which is closely linked to liver health. A study published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine in 2018 highlighted how castor oil packs could reduce symptoms in individuals with liver congestion, promoting better liver function. The study indicated that the use of castor oil packs led to an increase in the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to alleviate the liver's load. By using castor oil packs regularly, you can support your liver's vital functions, ensuring it can effectively cleanse the body and maintain your overall health. And there you have it, the multifaceted benefits of using castor oil before bed, revealing why this ancient remedy has stood the test of time. By incorporating this natural oil into your nightly routine, you're tapping into a treasure trove of health benefits that can enhance your skin, hair, sleep, and overall well-being. From reducing acne to promoting liver health, castor oil is a powerful ally in your journey towards a healthier, more radiant you. Thanks for watching Health Journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. Sweet dreams and stay healthy.